Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets, and I've been waiting to get these for a while. These are the official OEM cases for the Razer phone, straight from Razer. What I have here are 3 different types of cases, but the silicone ones come in 3 different colors. So the silicone case comes in a black, a white, and a green, you can see here, and then there is the rugged case, and then the thin case right here from Razer. So we're gonna go ahead and get into all of these. So you can see here, I actually went online and actually purchased all 5 of these cases myself. I did have a $30 online coupon there from Razer that came with my phone originally, so I did purchase these all myself. They were not sent to me. So here we go. We're gonna start with the 3 different colored silicone cases here. Every single one of the Razer OEM cases come in the exact same packaging. They all say protective case for Razer phone. There's no other marks on it here. You got the Razer logo in the corner. The way you're gonna find the difference here is on the back here, it's gonna say word case and the color, or in the case of these ones right here, it might say rugged or thin case. And of course, you got your UPC codes and things like that. So make sure if you're out in the wild there, if you're out in the retail landscape, you're looking for, you know, what the differences are. And of course, there's some highlights here of the case. So for example, here, the silicone case protection, secure fit, enhanced grip, and it's lightweight. So let's go ahead and get into it. Don't have to use my knife because Razer puts this nice little pull tab right here. Pull that right off and get right into it. Pulls right out just like that. Packaging off to the side, and it says on the inside here, welcome to the cult of Razer. Okay, go ahead and pull that off. Packaging right here. And yes, so this is the Razer word case. The letters here, Razer, are all embossed here. On the inside, you got this nice, soft, I guess kind of like a material, almost like a velvet type feel. And it says, for gamers, by gamers. So this is the black one right here. You can see that what they've done is they've just cut open ports all along here to basically minimize the case. And it should just pop in. Yeah, just like that. So again, you got access to real buttons. And on either side, of course, your fingerprint sensor. So you can go ahead and press that. And just like so. Perfect. And there is a bit of a lip here. If you take a look, you can see the lip right here. So when you put the phone flat down, it is raised up. And your camera module is indented. So if you do have it on its back here, that will be protected as well. So again, you got the raised lip. Raise it up on the screen there. And of course the camera module is indented down. Feels good, got some nice grip to it. Some nice surface protection. Let's move on to the next one. Let's get into the white one here. Just like the black one there, embossed writing there, open ports. Again, this material here on the inside to protect your phone. And pops in. That looks sharp, nice white border there, as long as that doesn't bother you, I guess. Again, access all ports, no problem. Volume up, volume down, no problem. Cool, let's move on to the next one here. And here's the green right here. I guess that's the one that a lot of people want. They use like a white, off-white, like a gray color here on the inside. And go ahead and pop the Razer phone in. And yeah, that looks real nice. I love that green, that Razer green. Again, everything's protected there. Feels good. So there's the 3 different colors of the silicone case. Let's move on to the thin case and the rugged case. This is the light case right here, and it's pretty simple. It's just a polycarbonate, real simple, semi-flexible, just real basic surface protection here. There's looks like a protection here to take off to expose that, but I'm gonna pop the phone in here without taking that out, just so you guys can see what it looks like. Just like the silicone case, everything is protected. The camera is indented here. You got a little bit of a lip here along the screen here, so that when you put the phone flat down, it is raised up. The camera is protected. Again, all open ports. Looks good. So that's definitely for your minimalist here. So that is the thin case. And this is the rugged case. It's a little bit different from the thin case with the logo. So on the thin case, the Razer logo is black. And on the rugged case, it's got kind of a silver border to it. So there is a bit of a difference there. You can see that. Okay. On the inside here, you got a bit of a padding here. It's not as thick for a rugged case that I thought it would be, but it definitely has more weight than the thin case here. So you know, you do have some shock absorption here. Let's go ahead and pop our phone in. And this one right here, as opposed to the other cases that I noticed, the top is actually closed up. So if you look at the thin case, the top is open up and the bottom. On the rugged case here, there's actually a top piece along here. Even with the silicone case here, you can see the top and bottoms are open. So a little bit difference there. So you do have some top protection up here. Again, you do have the lip going around here to protect the screen when it's flat down, and your camera is embossed there. Nice touch with the green right here on the inside there. So you can see a bit of the green around here with the camera. Hopefully that doesn't interfere. I'll have to test that out with the camera. And that looks good. So that's a rugged case. Doesn't add too much bulk. I'm not too sure about the drop protection on that, but should help out nevertheless. So there you guys go. There's the 5 OEM cases for the Razer phone. Again, basically there are 3 models. There's the rugged case, the thin case, and then the silicone case that comes in 3 different colors. So technically 3 cases, but a total of 5 right here when you count the colors up. So hopefully this has helped you out. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. It would be appreciated. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.